the 3D printer and like I designed like just like a rectangle thing just like with a pusher, and it printed me out a spell musubi maker, and I was able to make a spell musubi. So I think that's really cool how like Lassonde provides us like with that type of technology.
At RISE, it's really a game changer for all of those students that have ideas that have the product element to it. So being able to have the makerspaces at RISE under the same roof as our co-working and ideation spaces will give them that opportunity to really bring their ideas to life.